Hi, and thanks for watching the replay. If you are watching the replay, please type replay. If you are watching me live, please say hello. Today I am going to show you something called a hot mess technique. So I'm going to do a home sweet home, and there we go. Let me quickly share this to my other pages really quick. Hope everyone's having an awesome, it's Friday, isn't it? Yeah. So yay. Happy Friday! Again, I always say, if you guys want to be in my VIP group, please comment VIP. And I do a lot of specials in there and bundle packages and stuff that you can't get on my website. So if you want to be in the VIP group, let me know. And also, if you have any questions about any of the products or anything like that, please feel free to reach out to me or comment on here. And if you want me to show anything specific, please let me know, because I am willing to show you guys whatever it is that you want to see, because I want to show you how versatile this product is and all the things that you can do with it. So because it is pretty amazing. All right, so today we are doing Home Sweet Home, and I'm going to show you a really fun technique. Okay, so like I said, every time you get one of these, and don't forget, these are reusable. You can just wash them off and let them dry, and they're ready to use again. They all come with instructions on the back on how to clean them, how to use them, etc. We also have these boards. These are double-sided, which is awesome because you can do a project on one side and a different project on the other side, and have it for two different purposes. And it also comes with a string, and there's two holes here to hang it up, so it's pretty cool. So I am going to use this, and it is a 10 by 10 square chalkboard. And the cool thing about all the Chalk Couture chalkboards is they are all prepped and ready to go. There's nothing you have to do to prep it. All right, throwing all that out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to peel this off and stick it on here. Like so. Make it straight. All right, there we go. Perfect. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the best way to do this. It's super easy and super fun. Like I said, I'm going to, I have these little tiny squeegees, and I like to use them for the different colors, because it's just easier, so then I can clean up afterwards. Today I'm going to use these pastel colors, like spring-ish colors. So I've got Dreamsicle, which is kind of like an orange color. I've got Cherry Blossom, which is a pink color. I've got Honeydew, which is a green color. And then I'm using Ocean Mist, which is a blue color. So that's what we're going to use today. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to open these up. So let's start with the pink. And I literally am just going to take a little bit of it and put it wherever. Okay. And then I'm going to move on to my next color. And I'm going to take some. I also want to make sure that it's a little bit thick because I'm going to want to have enough of it to spread. I'm going to want it to spread. So, okay. Man, I've been opening up a lot of new paints this week. But that's okay, because I love trying new colors. I have my shipment of my new stuff from the new catalog coming this week. So whenever that comes in, I will go live and show you guys everything that I got so you guys can see some of the cool stuff that is in the new catalog. Okay. Because there's some really awesome stuff. Not gonna lie. Okay, there's that. Now the only thing about this technique is you do kind of waste a little bit of paint, I will say, because since these are all going to mix together, you're not going to be able to scrape it back in the jar like we normally do. Yeah, so, but that's okay. Sometimes you gotta do that to make something cool. Okay, so that's all we're doing. So we put our colors on there. You can do just 2 colors, 3 colors. I chose to do 4 because I like to be a real hot mess. So all I'm gonna do is I'm literally going to take this big squeegee and scrape it down, and I'm going to scrape the excess off onto a towel. Let me get a wet wipe. These wet wipes are super handy. I just use the Target brand, but you can use any of the other ones. But yep, that's all I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna go like this. And when I said it kind of wastes paint, is because if you can see, there's a lot on there that I'm ending up taking off. And since it's all mixed together, I can't put it back in the jar. But yeah, this is a really easy and fun technique. It gives you a really cool design, and it's really quick and easy. All right, now we're gonna pull it off, peel and reveal what we got here. All right, I am a fan. It looks so pretty. And as you guys know, if you mess up at all, like you can see I got some on the edge here, you can just wipe it right off. No big deal. That's the best thing about this. If you make a mistake, you can fix it. So I'm just gonna wipe that off. So yeah, so you don't even need to stay in the lines. If you get outside the lines, that's okay. But yeah, I am a fan of how that turned out. So take a look. If you can see, see how all the colors blended together. It's pretty cool. And you get different effects if you blend different colors. I just did some pastel colors for spring. I do like how it turned out. However, if you did like a red and a white, you're gonna get kind of like a Christmassy look, but the red and the white are gonna mix together and make kind of like a pink also. So there's different ways that you can do it, but yeah, that's the hot mess method, because literally all you do is you're just slapping colors on and scrape it off. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else different, or any other techniques or any specific transfers you guys want to see. Let me know if you want to see the catalog, anything. I am here for you. All right, well, I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday. Thanks for watching, and cheers.